Number 16 for ABCs of violin. Now my dreidel. This one I really like to encourage doing tunneling. So we're going back and forth between the open E string and the C on our A string. So I like to set my fingers up beforehand and just going back and forth with my bow or my plucking of E, C, E, C. We want to make sure those fingers are on their very tippy toes and we're rolling them in kind of towards the D string so that the E string can really vibrate without being touched. If the pads of your fingers are touching that E string at all, it will squeal or not voice, and that's just what happens. So take your time of really rolling it over to be just on that A string. You can bring your elbow over more, and we don't want to do anything weird with our wrists. We're just turning it a little bit more so that the pads of my fingers don't touch the E string. So before we do anything, let's say it. 1, 2, ready, say it. E, C, E, C, E, C, C, E, E, D, C, B, rest, rest, D, B, D, B, D, B, B, E, D, C, B, A, rest, rest. All right, let's pluck. 1, 2, so I'm going to put my 2 fingers on the A string and I'm going to leave them rolled over so that I can play that E string without bumping. 1, 2, ready, go. E, C, E, C, E, C, C, E, E, D, C, B, rest, rest, D, B, D, B, D, B, B, E, D, C, B, A, rest, rest. All right, let's use the bow. 2 fingers on the A string, rolled over so that we can tunnel through that E. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest.